Alright, for some reason, we're making burgers on an open fire in the cast iron skillet. So,
It's only gonna go well.
it's gonna go fantastically. Maybe. My wife's good.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go wide. Okay, go.
Alright, cool. So, I got my cast iron, I got a spatula, I got a fire. I'm not crazy, so I got this awesome hot pad. Great. Hello! You might have recognized me from such places as Forest Forensics, as a superhero.
Ah, citizens, I am here.
I'm waiting for lighting now. I have lighting.
Oh, thank you for the light. Is this my good side?
Alright, so we got a cast iron, we got a fire, we got Mittens here.
Hi, I'm Mittens. Hi, I'm Mittens. Mittens is getting hot.
Put the pan in.
Alright, so I already put butter in the pan because I was going to do this on the stove, and now I'm doing it in the fire. So, give ourselves a nice base.
Let me get some slow-mo footage. Damn, dude, that's gonna be awesome.
Burgers in! Ooh, sizzle. Now there's a plant here. I don't know why, because it was over there and now it's here. Alright, so about 3 minutes each side. Cheese. It's not rocket science, it's just a cast iron on a fire. You know what I'm talking about, Elmer.
I'm gonna cut there.
So if you don't want it to just cook around the edges, you gotta apply pressure. Also, fun fact, I don't think the fire is actually as hot as you would think that it is. Your stove gets real hot, and that's hot. It's not quite as hot as high, and medium. It's about medium heat. I know it looks like it's glowing now, but it's not actually as hot as you would think it is. Maybe 4 minutes.
Can you get the pan like shake?
Sizzle, sizzle, pop, pop. So I guess if the power goes out, you wouldn't be able to see me as well because we still have electricity. And if you don't have a cast iron skillet, I don't know why you don't have a cast iron skillet. You should always have a cast iron skillet. You think you can put your non-stick pan in this fire? I seriously doubt it. Alright, you're almost to like the slow-mo. I mean, you see that shit bubbling right now? Yeah. Got some bubbling cheese melting. Taking it out of the fire. Because I'm going to take the whole thing out of the fire.
Yeah, alright. Still rolling. Oh, yes. Real cool. Hold up. Go super slow. Slow, and down. That's the one thing.
Alright, there you have it. Burgers in the cast iron on the fire. That's going to be the title of this video. It's Burgers in the cast iron on the fire. And don't forget the cheesy, good, fried, cheesy bits. Because that's just an excellent cheese snack.
Give me an outro.
Thank you for watching. I love you. I mean it. See you next time.
Alright.